Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna take a look at this Wyze version 3 or V3 camera in 2023 because I heard some people that were saying, well, Wyze V3 is not really good, it's not worth it, and all that yada yada. Well, I wanted to try it myself. I have some other Wyze things around the house, and I wanted to see what could be wrong with this one. If you put an micro SD card in it, you don't even need to pay for cloud if you don't want to. You can always pay for cloud. It's always there. And it has color night vision, IP65 for outdoors, 1080p Full HD, two-way audio, 24/7 recording on your card, depends on what kind of card you put, motion and sound detection, person detection with subscription. Now these are person detection, view cameras in browser, and full-length event recording. Well, when you can loop record 24/7 with a micro SD card, why not do that? If you're in a budget, if you're really not wanting to pay the fees and whatnot, I don't see the problem with that. And here's what quick start guide, no yada yada. I bought it used, just so I could test it here for you guys and for myself, because I have other Wyze cameras, but not a V3. So this might have been one of those that escaped my attention somehow. And here's the camera itself. It's actually in a pretty good condition right here. This is the power brick, and this is the USB, which is really high quality flat cable. I appreciate this part. And this is the camera itself, as you see here. This is the mount that you can put on a wall, for example, like this, and the camera will be tilted however you like it. Or the in the bottom has a magnetic mount, and it attaches to almost any magnet. Let me find something magnetic to show you guys. And yes, the only thing metal that I could find around me was a wrench, so here we go. It's actually really strong, as you see right here. I had to really shake it, which when your house shakes to that point, I guess it's all done. So the whole basic point here is that if you want to use it indoors, for example, you can put it on a fridge or something and watch your pets. And even outside, I guess you could use the magnet if you have nothing else on a metallic door or a side door or a front gate or whatnot. You can put it on a metal if you don't want to put the screws. And the cable goes through here. I like the small details on these products. The indentation there is to put the cable, as you see right here, and the cable is routed nicely. So here's the speaker. The microphone is right here on the front, and I already put an micro SD card inside. I put a small 4 gigabytes just in case it needs it. This is the setup button that you have to hold when you initially start it or turn it on. And let me do just that. Turn it on and test it. And we're gonna try to connect it right here. And here's the... Oh, another thing here. This is a piece of high quality rubber sleeve for when you install it outdoors. And that's something beautiful. That's something that I appreciate when these companies kind of go the extra mile. And it's not that this camera is super expensive, huh? It's even brand new. If you don't want to buy it like me and be a cheapo, I think they're around 30 bucks, or if not less. They're really not that much. And now let's go to my phone, and I have the Wyze app already open, motion detection for my other cameras. As you see, this is blinking already. Let me reset it. Where's that setup button? Right here. Ready to connect. This was from the camera that said ready to connect. Okay. Now we have to add camera, add device, add camera, Wyze Cam V3, red, yes, it's a red thing blinking there. I heard ready to connect. Let me activate my Wi-Fi, go to settings. Open location is to find the camera, as far as I understand. That's my Wi-Fi, and time to scan the code. Let's see if it scans it. QR code scanned, please wait. And yes, let's click next, and let's see if it works. And here it is. I'm just gonna put it, I don't know, just test camera. That's good enough for me. No thanks. Maybe later. Let's see if, and yes, it loaded. Here it is. We open full screen, and yeah, it works pretty good actually. I like it. It has really a wide angle. It really has a wide angle right here. And yeah, let's go to its settings and see what's up with that. What's the whole big deal about? Let me put this box right here. I put this box right here so the camera can see itself on a picture. Why not, right? Here we go. And let me film something with the camera so you can see the quality yourself. Right now I'm filming, and here's the camera. It's actually really good quality, as you see right here. Now I'm not gonna go film outside with it because I'm not gonna mount it anywhere, but it actually works really good. And I'm really surprised why people are saying this camera is bad. I don't understand. How can this camera be bad? I don't get it. I do not get it. Okay, features are just, I think, like any other Wyze camera that I have. Motion tagging, time-lapse, siren. Let me type it. It's actually good. It's really nice. On settings, I think these are just overall detection settings, event recording, notifications, advanced settings, continuous, record to micro SD card that's inside right now. I can put it continuous or record events only. When the motion sensor sees something, it can just do that. And in my opinion, I don't really see the whole problem yet. Please leave on the comments below, why do you think some people are saying this camera is not good? You can rotate image, camera status light, night vision lights, far. Yeah, that's perfect. That's how I want it. Night vision conditions, dusk, okay. The environment extreme low light, which is both. Show timestamp, rotate, show Wyze logo, record sound, synchronize time, just to make sure it's synchronized with my time. Device info, device model, restart the camera, Wyze support, sharing, rules, accessories, spotlight, lamp socket, floodlight. These are other stuff that we're not gonna go in right now. I am seriously kind of in a loss for words. Why would some people say this camera is not good? Here's the test camera we have, and yeah, still works. Not a single problem with it. So I don't really. Guys, please leave on the comments below. What do you think, or what have you found wrong if you had a Wyze V3? What's your opinion on it? I just want to I'm genuinely asking. I want to know, why are people saying that Wyze V3 is not a good camera? I seriously am failing to see what's wrong with this camera because I don't see anything wrong. Now, if you don't like to pay the fee, that's up to you. The camera still functions perfectly fine with a micro SD card inside. So I'm in loss for words. But anyway, this was the Wyze V3, and obviously it works for me. I put the card, everything functions, the detection works, as you see the green thingy going on there for detection. Let me put two hands at the same time. Yep, it still detects both. And that is it. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time. And I don't know, I'm not gonna bash Wyze for a camera that is working for me. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Bye.